Hi, welcome to my video on writing algebraic expressions given a variable. Write an algebraic expression for each in terms of x. Let's do some examples. X increased by 5. X increased is add by 5. 4 times x plus 2. 4 times 4 times is a multiply. Plus is add 2. Notice the 4 times x, the 4, there's nothing in between, so it's understood to be multiplication. C, 9 subtract x. 9 subtract x. D, 9 subtract from x. Subtract from changes the order, so it's x minus 9. E, the sum of x and 7. Sum means add, so it's x plus 7. F, 5 times the sum of x and 2. So the sum of x and 2, so that's the sum of x and 2. 5 times that, so it's 5 with a bracket. Again, the 5 is outside the bracket, indicating multiplication. Twice x minus 5. So it's twice x, twice is multiply, minus 5. 10 less than x quadruple. Quadruples means multiplied by 4. So it's 10 less is subtract 4 times x, x quadrupled. I, triple the sum of x and 6. Triple the sum of x and 6. There's a sum of x and 6. There's a sum of x. Triple the sum. Triple means multiplied by 3. J, the product of 12 and x subtracted from 11. The product means multiplies, so that's 12 times x, multiply 12 and x. Subtract from 11, subtract from, reverse the order, so it's 11, subtract 12x. 2 less than x, less than reverses the order, so it's x minus 2, less, subtract. 2 less x, you don't change the order, less is subtract, just 2 subtract x. X squared, that's easy. And the square root of x, square root of x. So that's writing algebraic expressions in terms of x. Now, you practice. Practice means pause the video, you see, you can do one at a time, or you can work all these out and then play it back to see if you're right. Here we go. Write an algebraic expression for each in terms of x. X decreased by 4, so it's x minus 4. Decrease means subtract. The sum of x and 10, sum is add, so it's x plus 10. 7 minus x is 7, subtract x, minus is subtract. 6 subtract from x, subtract from changes the order, is x minus 6. X subtract 2, x subtract 2. Number 6, 4 times x plus 9. Times is multiply, so 4 times x, plus is add, 9. 7, x divided by 3, x divided by 3. You can also write it as could be 1x over 3, which is could be 1/3 x. So 1/3 of x is the same as dividing it by 3. Half x, 1/2 of x, or you could have, if you wish, x over 2. X divided by 2 is the same as saying 1/2 x, because that's a 1 understood to be there. 4 less than x, number 9. 4 less than x is x minus 4, because less than changes the order. Product of x and 5 is, product means multiply, so it's x times 5, but we prefer to write it as 5x, because when you have a number and a variable, we always put the number in front, prefer not to do this like that. So put the 5 in front, so 5 times x. 11 less 3 times x. 3 times x means multiply, so 11 less is subtract. 3 times x is 3x. Number 12, twice x increased by 10. So twice means multiply by 2. So twice x increase is add by 10. 13, 9 times the sum of 4 and x. The sum of 4 and x is 4 plus x, or it could be, we say, x plus 4. We always write the variable first in an expression. And 9 times that, so the 9 is outside the bracket, indicating 9 times the sum. X tripled increased by 12. X tripled is multiplied by 3, increase by 12, increase is add. Square of the sum of x and 5. So the sum of x and 5 is x plus 5. That's the sum. The square of the sum. So we put brackets around it and do a square. So that's the square of the sum. So that's another video completed. If you like my video, then click the like button, click the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and click the notification bell. And if you want, you may write a comment in my video. And also visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. There you get information on me, my degrees and teaching experience. The video talks about the strategy I'm going to use to help you learn the math. The content has topics that are going to be online, the number of videos. The black font has the topics that are already completed, and the red font is the topics that will be completed in the near future. Thank you very much for viewing my video. Bye-bye.